So welcome to our Lezim tutorial from NADTAL.
Today we're going to start off with what is Lezim?
Oh, Lezim is a folk dance coming from the state of Maharashtra. It is played with a prop called Lezim. This is how the Lezim looks like. It has a big or long stick, it has a short stick, and it is tied up with chains on both sides with some shims, and it makes a jingling sound. So you can call this prop as a Lezim, or you could call the folk dance itself as Lezim. We always start Lezim, or we come to play Lezim by keeping Lezim on our left shoulders and being there at the stage where we are going to perform, or in the ground where we are going to perform.
Alright, so what is the background of Lezim?
So Lezim started as a physical exercise or physical training exercise with this particular prop. It started way back in 16th century when some of the army soldiers and some other people were looking at Lezim to help them build their own muscles, tone their muscles, and bring in the flexibility while performing this Lezim. Later on, this was taken over as a PE class item, and even today in Maharashtra, in many schools, this is played as a part of the PE class. So it gives a good physical toning of your body as well as keeps you fit. Olden times, this was used by the army soldiers to keep their body fit, so that before starting some practices with swords and spears and other things, yeah, they used to do Lezim to keep everything fit, so then they would later on practice themselves with swords and other things. So that helped them build and tone their whole body for the warfares which came in. So Lezim was not only played as a practice or as a physical exercise or a physical training part of it, but then later on, after the warriors came back from the war, after winning the war, this was also played as part of the procession where everybody was celebrating the victory of that army. So this is how the Lezim started building up, and like I said, even today it's being played in Maharashtra as part of the PE exercise. We do it for fun, yeah? Sometimes exercise, sometimes fun, and everybody enjoys it.
And what are some types of Lezim?
Oh, that's a good question. So there are two types of Lezim. One is Baroda and one is Ghati Lezim. Ghati Lezim is the Lezim which comes from the Western Ghats, which is typically the Maharashtra Deccan Plateau, as we call it, including Pune, Satara, Sangli, all those areas. So this type of Lezim is played on 8 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sometimes, like people do play on 8 beats, sometimes they cut short and play only the 4 beat kind of a rhythm. So that's how it is played. Baroda Lezim, typically as the name says, it comes from the city of Baroda, which is in Gujarat. So it is having a different style, how it is being played.
So, what are the different types of steps in Lezim?
So there are different types of steps. There are like 7 or 8 basic steps. Again, like we utilize this basic step with a formation. The formation goes into geometrical formation like circles, triangles, rectangles, crossings, and all those kind of things. So all these formation helps the entire dance, as well as it also builds your memory in terms of how you're going to move, how you're going to perform all these steps, and it keeps both your mind and body fit. So it's a mind and body exercise. So shall we start with our steps?
Yes.
Yeah. So how do we hold the Lezim? We hold the Lezim. Always the long stick or the big stick is in your left hand, or a right-handed person. Don't hold Lezim anywhere in between in this red kind of a area, which is really a danger area. Your safety and safety of your fingers is very important, so hold it on the side. Then hold the small stick like a pinch of salt. Hold it on one side, leave the other half as open. Hold it on one side, then you cross it, and then you hold it as a T. So it's always as a T. So anytime you start playing, it's like open, close, open, close, open, close, close. anytime you open it, it makes a sound. Close it makes a sound. The wooden sound as well as the jingling sound of the chain. So this is how it will play. So like I said, some people play in 8 beats, some people play in 4 beats kind of a rhythm. Here in US, our North Atlanta NADTAL Lezim, we play with the 4-beat rhythm. We start from right side, and now we are talking about step 1. We start on right side, yeah. We open the Lezim and we bring our right foot in the front. So like open 1, then you bring your feet together, yeah. Close it on the left side, and that's step 2, step 2, and then 3, open, and then close. Open on the top and close. So this whole routine of 1, 2, 3, 4 beats is step 1, yeah. So it should go like a diamond. So from right side down, left side, top, right side. So you can, if you look from the front, it's just like a vertical diamond. Yeah. So everybody like 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will do it a little bit of hop and keep your reference. Just like in the dance, you keep your positioning, you keep with a hop. Okay. Good. So this whole routine was step 1. You can do it fast, you can do it slow, based on the rhythm and based on the sound that we are going to play as part of the music or as part of choreography of a dance. Yeah. So this whole routine is step 1. Okay. Now we go to step 2. Step 2, the same thing, the beat of 4. Instead of having right, down, left, up, and right, we go 2 times down and 2 times up. Okay, so can we show our audience step 2? So let's do. Nice. Thank you. So now we go to step 3. Step 3 is just like what we did in step 2, like 2 times down, 2 times up. In step 3, we go 2 times on the right side. You look a little bit towards right side and keep your right foot crossed. Yeah. So right, 2 times right and 2 times left. So in the slow motion, it's 2 times right, 2 times left, 2 times right. So let's show our audience step 3. Okay. Nice. Okay, now let's do step 4. Step 4 is a combination of step 2, or rather 3 and 2. So what did we did in step 3? We had 2 times right, 2 times left, and then 2 times right and 2 times. And in step 2 we had 2 times down and 2 times up. So instead of doing 2 times on sides and 2 times up and down, we do 1 time. 1 time right, 1 time left, 1 time down, and 1 time up. So can we show audience our step 4? Okay, let's do step 4. Nice. Okay, so that's step 4. Now let's do step 5. Now step 5 is a little bit energetic step. In step 5, what we do, we hop and move on the right side 2 times. We hop and move on the left side 2 times. Yeah. So it's right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Then we go front and back up. So front down and back up. Yeah. So can we show this step once slowly, and then we do in a normal rhythm. So let's do very slowly. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, front, back, front, back. Let's do one more time. Okay? So let's show our audience a full step 5. Nice. Okay? It's okay. So this was step 5. Now let's try step 6. Yeah, so step 6, what we do, we open the Lezim on sideways. Yeah? From the front we open Lezim sideways. So 2 times right, 2 times left, and come back. Yeah? So can we show step 6? Thank you. Then we go step 7. Step 7 is 4 times down, 4 times up, turn, 4 times down, 4 times up, turn. Always turn on your right shoulder. Even for crossing, you always cross on right. Keep the other person, your partner, on the opposite side of your right shoulder, on the side of your right shoulder. So let's show step 7. Okay? Let's start. 1, nice. So that it looks very nice, doesn't it? So that's step 7. Now we go step 8. Yeah, step 8 is a little bit tricky. Yeah. So step 8, what we need to do, you remember a little bit of step 1. We do the same thing. Yeah. Bring your right foot back. Yeah. Double hop, then left, then right, then left. Okay? So let's try that. Step 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Wasn't it fun?
Yeah.
So thank you. Thanks for all your demonstration. And I think hope people will like our video. We'll be having this video ongoing on our YouTube channel. Thank you.